This video will be talking about the topic of price elasticity of demand, also known as PED. In economics, there is an inverse relation between the market price of a product and its quantity. Demanded. If the price is low, more people buy, use, and the demand is high, and vice versa. PED stands for price elasticity of demand. PED is how much the market price influences the demand for a product. In other words, how responsive the quantity demanded of a product is with a change in its price, considering ceteris paribus. Specifically, it gives the percentage change in quantity demanded in response to a 1% change in the market price. PED can be calculated by dividing the delta percentage change in quantity demanded by the delta percentage change in price. The reason a percentage change in used instead of just change is as if only change was being used, it would be relative to just the given data or its time frame, like months or years. The percentage makes it a unitless number and thus can be compared with other data. The delta percentage change can be calculated by dividing the change in the unit by the original amount and then multiplying by 100. This can be plotted on a graph, and the delta percentage changes for quantity demanded and market price can also be calculated by using the PED value. An infinitely large number is perfectly price elastic. A number over 1 is price elastic. 1 is not elastic nor unelastic. A number under 1 is price elastic. 0 is perfectly price inelastic. If a product is price elastic, this means that a small percentage change in the price will result in a relatively large change in quantity demanded. In this case, a small increase in price from €5 to €5.05 caused a relatively large change in quantity demanded from 100 to 90. A 1% change, increase, in price caused a 10% change, contraction, in quantity demanded. T equals 10%/1% equals 10. Since the P1, the product is price elastic. If a product is price inelastic, this means that a large percentage change in the price will result in a relatively small change in quantity demanded. In this case, a large increase in price from €5 to €5.50 caused a relatively small change in quantity demanded from 100 to 99. A 10% change, increase, in price caused a 1% change, contraction, in quantity demanded. T equals 1%/10% equals 0.1. Since the P1, the product is price inelastic. Special values. Perfectly elastic. When the price stays constant no matter what quantity demanded is. Perfectly inelastic. When the quantity demanded stays constant no matter what the price is. Unitary. When the quantity demanded varies unitarily proportionally with the price, they both have the same percentage in increase and decrease. Causes of price inelasticity. The price could be elastic because there are many close substitutes, it is a luxury good, or it has low degree of necessity. The price could be perfectly elastic because there are unlimited numbers of substitutes, or it is a luxury good. The price could be unitary elastic because there is a fixed amount of budget, or the marginal cost of selling an additional unit is zero. The price could be inelastic because there are few close substitutes, it is an essential good, or it has a high degree of necessity. The price could be perfectly inelastic because there are no substitutes and it is usually a necessary good. Calculating and determining PED. Determine the type and value of price elasticity for the following goods. 1. A book used to cost €10 and the store sold 100 copies. By increasing the price to €11, it only sold 80 copies. 2. TVs used to cost €100 on Amazon and they sold 500 sets in the first week. On the second week they sold 450 sets at €120 each. 3. A new album sold at €2 and 10,000 people bought it. When the price was increased to €2.20, 9,000 people bought it. Answers. A. Quantity demanded delta percent equals 100% equals 20%. B. Price delta percent equals 1/10 100% equals 10%. C, T equals 20%/10% equals 2. D, price elastic, 2. 1, price inelastic, 0.5. 2, unitary price elastic, 1.